Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Coralis Cabral and I am so happy you clicked on this video. I hope you stick around because I have a lot of fun ideas in mind and more serious topics. So I'm sure that you know what I'm doing today because you saw it on the title, I guess. Woo! Guys, I have been stressing out all day just thinking about this. You know, I would have never done this. Never. But, you know, people are just bored. And, you know, if I feel like cutting my hair, I feel like this is the perfect time because I have the excuse to do it because all the salons are closed. So, yeah. But if you guys can tell, my hair is actually pretty short already. And, yeah, I don't really know what my plan is. But first, I'm just gonna finish straightening my hair because it's not all the way straight. And we'll go from there. They say that you're supposed to have your hair wet, but then other people say, oh, it's better to have it straight, like that you know exactly how your hair is gonna look. So I'm gonna go with that since I don't really cut hair. So let me just finish curling my hair up. Straightening my hair, guys. I just been stressing out all day. You know, this video was planned different. My sister was actually gonna cut my hair, but she's busy, so she's at the picture. So I'm gonna do it myself. Okay, so usually how I straighten my hair, my hair is usually really curly, so it's like a process, but I've gotten pretty good at it because I always be straightening my hair. So I just part a little bit at a time and I basically just strain it with a strainer. Duh. And then I use some heat protection. I have I don't know, this is what it looks like. So, you know, I just spray it on it and then I just brush through it and I just wait for it to dry. Okay guys, so I think it's fine now. Woo! Okay, we're getting closer. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do like this much for it to be this short, but I'm not gonna cut it that much like right away. I'm gonna go little by little because okay, let's get started. Oh my god, I am so nervous. I am so nervous, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so this is my logic. I'm just gonna part my hair by like whatever layers I have. So like example, I'm gonna part it and then I'm gonna cut this like the length that I would like for it to be. You know what I mean? So let's just start there. Okay. So so basically what I'm using is a brush, scissors. I actually went to the store to find scissors. I am at Walmart. Oh, I do have a glove. I mean, I came to find a pair of scissors. I cannot find the scissors, and somehow I ended up in the makeup aisle and didn't find any. I think these are my mom's, so hopefully they're good. And then I have some little hair ties. I don't really know if I'm gonna use them. So, oh, I'm gonna take these earrings off. They're super cute. Look at them. Oh, I suck at modeling. Super cute. I'm just gonna take them off because, I mean, who do I think I am? Jeez, they're super cute, but like... So I have my mirror right here. Oh, before we do that, let me just put something on the floor so I don't make a mess all over my room. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna rip the bandage off and just get it over with. Oh, guys. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll just put a little hair tie. Okay. Can you believe I'm doing this? Because I cannot believe this. Okay. So I think I'm gonna cut that much. What do you think? Okay, I'm just gonna lower it a little bit because that was a lot. My hair is curly, so imagine it like right here. Oh, whatever. You know, we're young. Let's just do crazy stuff. Yes, this is my crazy. Okay? Okay. Okay. So here I go. It's not even straight from the back. You know, I think I'm just wasting time now because I should just do this, right? I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to have that, but let's just get it over with. Guys, I'm actually really dizzy right now. Oh my god, my heart, guys. If you would feel my heart, I would never believe I would be doing something like this. Estoy loca, de verdad, estoy loca. Those people that said I was crazy, literally, I am crazy. Because who does this? Who does this? Señor, por favor, te lo suplico que esté straight. Porque después, ¿qué voy a hacer? Oh my god, guys, I don't think I was thinking when I started doing this. Nope, I was not thinking whatsoever. I was supposed to do it a little longer, but I did it super short. Like, no, I wasn't thinking. Okay, this needs to be shorter. Okay, I think I'm just gonna cut it there. Oh my god. 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 Is this straight? I can't see. Okay, let's just continue. Oh my god, guys, I cannot even believe I'm doing this. Okay, so after I cut it, I take the little hair tie off, and then I just you know, grab it like this or whatever. I don't even know what I'm doing, so yeah. And then I just kind of go upwards. I already know my hair is messed up, so yeah, you know, I think I'm just having a mental breakdown, and this is what happened. Corales, I don't get it. I mean, I don't think it looks bad, like short hair. I'll probably be shorter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this, it's like not even the same as the back at all. Okay, so pretty much this is how I would look with short hair. What do you think? I don't know. Imagine it curly now. It's gonna be like up here with curly hair. Yo no sé lo que estoy haciendo. Es que yo no sé. Yo no sé. What did we do? Oh my God, I'm just so crazy. Okay, guys. I am more calmed down now. I think I had another breakdown. But it's fine. You know, it's fine. It's just hair. Like, it's just hair. Nada más es cabello. ¿Qué importa? I think que se me subió la sangre. I really do. I cannot believe I did this. It's not even straight at all. Oh my God. Like, let me see if I can show you. Like, you see? What did I do? So it's just this side that's a little longer. I'm gonna try to fix it. I should not try to fix it. I'm just gonna make it worse. This is just crazy. Like, who does this? Personas que están aburridas. Duh. Hey guys, it's day number 2, and I feel a lot better than yesterday. I had to stop because I had so much anxiety after I did that because I couldn't believe that I did that. So yeah, but I'm doing much better today. I accepted the fact that I totally messed up my hair, and yeah, you know, it's just hair. I realized that I want to do something and I can do it and it's not going to harm me, then I'm just going to do it because I don't want to have any regrets. Like, I don't want to say, yeah, I wanted to cut my own hair, but I never did. Or I wanted to dye my hair pink, but I never did. So, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not dyeing my hair pink today, but someday I do want to dye my hair pink. Anywho, so I just feel like it's fine, you know. I accepted the fact my hair is messed up. But thank God, someone is coming to my rescue. I texted a friend and she works at a salon, and shout out to her because she's letting me come over during this time and she's gonna fix my hair. So thank you so much. So I'm just pulling up to her house and yeah, she's gonna fix the damage that I created. Like, right now, it doesn't look as bad as it really is. So yeah, it's fine, you know. I've always wanted to have really short hair, so I feel like this is the perfect time to make that happen. So I'm thinking like to go shorter. I don't know. We'll see what she says. Like, I don't know. But, you know, it doesn't look that bad. It could definitely be worse. But, yeah. So before I forget, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join. And give this video a big thumbs up. And, yeah, let's go fix my hair. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. So yeah, she totally fixed my hair. It looks a lot better. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video of me literally cutting my own hair and having multiple meltdowns. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you guys until my next video. Bye guys.